Bow windows are an elegant addition to any Orangeburg home, providing sweeping views, abundant natural light, and a touch of architectural sophistication. However, Orangeburg's varied climate, with hot, humid summers and cooler, damp winters, requires homeowners to take special care of their bow windows to ensure they remain beautiful and functional for years to come. Regular maintenance not only preserves the appearance of your windows but also protects your investment by preventing damage and extending their lifespan. Here's a guide to maintaining bow windows in Orangeburg's unique climate. Regular cleaning for crystal clear views. Keeping your bow windows clean is essential for maintaining their beauty and maximizing natural light. Glass cleaning. Use a non-abrasive glass cleaner and a soft microfiber cloth to clean the panes. Avoid harsh chemicals or abrasive tools that could damage the glass or coatings. Frame cleaning. Depending on the frame material, use a damp cloth with mild soap to wipe away dirt and grime. Vinyl frames are low maintenance, while wood frames may require more attention to protect against moisture damage. Pro tip: clean your windows on a cloudy day to prevent streaks caused by quick-drying sunlight. Inspect and maintain the seals. In Orangeburg's humid summers and cooler winters, maintaining airtight seals is crucial for energy efficiency and comfort. Check for gaps or cracks. Inspect the seals around your bow windows for any signs of wear or damage. Cracked or deteriorated seals can allow drafts and moisture to enter, reducing energy efficiency. Reapply caulking. If you notice any gaps, remove the old caulking and apply fresh weatherproof sealant to ensure a tight fit. Look for condensation. Condensation between panes in double or triple glazed windows may indicate a broken seal, requiring professional repair or replacement. Protect against moisture damage. Orangeburg's climate, especially during humid summers or rainy winters, can lead to moisture-related issues. Check for rot or warping. For wooden frames, inspect regularly for signs of rot, warping, or discoloration caused by moisture exposure. Sand and repaint or reseal wooden frames as needed to protect them. Ensure proper drainage. Make sure exterior drainage systems, like gutters, are clear and functioning properly to prevent water from pooling near your windows. Lubricate moving parts. If your bow windows include operable sections, such as casement or double-hung windows, keeping the mechanisms well maintained is important for smooth operation. Clean tracks and hinges. Remove dirt, dust, and debris from window tracks and hinges. Apply lubricant. Use a silicone-based lubricant to keep moving parts, such as hinges and cranks, operating smoothly. Avoid oil-based products, which can attract dirt and cause buildup. Address weather-related wear. Orangeburg's climate can lead to specific wear and tear issues. Sun exposure. Over time, intense sunlight can cause fading or warping of frames, especially wooden ones. Applying UV-resistant finishes can help protect your windows. Temperature fluctuations. Sudden shifts in temperature can cause frame materials to expand and contract. Check for cracks or misalignments and address them promptly. Maintain energy efficiency. Bow windows are often chosen for their energy efficiency, but this can degrade over time without proper care. Inspect insulation. Ensure that your windows maintain their insulating properties. If drafts are noticeable, consider adding weather stripping or upgrading to more efficient glass. Upgrade glass. If your current bow windows are older, upgrading to low-E glass or double, triple pane options can improve energy savings in Orangeburg's varied climate. Seasonal maintenance tips. Taking a seasonal approach to maintenance ensures that your bow windows stay in excellent condition throughout the year. Spring. Clean glass and frames, check seals, and inspect for damage caused by winter weather. Summer. Look for signs of warping or fading from heat and sunlight. Reapply protective finishes if necessary. Fall. Remove leaves and debris from exterior sills and check weatherproofing to prepare for cooler temperatures. Winter. Monitor condensation and clean the windows to maximize natural light during shorter days. Schedule professional inspection. While DIY maintenance is important, professional inspections can catch issues that may go unnoticed. A trained technician can identify problems like structural damage, advanced seal failure, or potential leaks, helping you avoid costly repairs. Conclusion. Maintaining bow windows in Orangeburg's varied climate requires a combination of regular cleaning, inspection, and proactive care. By addressing issues like moisture damage, worn seals, and sun exposure, you can preserve the beauty and functionality of your bow windows for years to come. For homeowners in Orangeburg, the investment in bow windows is well worth the effort. Not only do they enhance your home's aesthetic appeal, but they also provide energy efficiency and increased natural light. With proper maintenance, your bow windows will continue to add value and charm to your home while withstanding the challenges of the local climate. If you need assistance with repairs, upgrades, or inspections, consult a local Orangeburg window professional to ensure your bow windows remain in top condition year-round.